Here's how to say the colors in Haitian Creole: rouge, vert, bleu, jaune, rose, marron, mauve, orange, blanc, gris, and noir. In Creole, the color always comes after the object. Suppose you want to say red flower. In Creole, that would be fleur rouge. As you can see, the color rouge appears after the object. Now, to say lighter color shades, say clair after the color. And to say darker color shades, say foncé after the color. Let us consider the color red. To say light red in Haitian Creole, that would be rouge clair. And to say dark red in Haitian Creole, that would be rouge foncé. So as you can see, the lighter and darker shades appear after the color. And that's it. This is how you say the basic colors in Haitian Creole. For more videos like this, please subscribe and thanks for watching.